In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a default image within an image field. So this can be really useful for having an important graphic, for example, a process map, or you could use it to show process steps. So when a user is going through a record, they can be shown which step of the process they're on and where they should be. So the first thing that you'll need to do is upload the desired image into an image field. So in this example, I'm using a graphic from SoftTools to show where in the process someone who is using the record is. So for example, this is showing us step 1. Next thing you'll need to do is export the record to be able to find the image ID. So the way to do this is to open the Actions menu here, go to Export, and it will automatically have CSV. So then you can confirm, and what this will do is create an Excel sheet of all of your fields and their contents. You need this to be able to find the image ID from the image that you have just uploaded. So you need to find the field ID so that when your export is open, you can then put in your field ID and find it within the list. So as you can see, it's here. You'll see a few fields for the image field. So it'll be step 0, file name and file size and file type. But the one that you need to focus on is the column with just the field ID in, so it's just step 0. Underneath, you should see the image ID. So you copy this, come back into SoftTools, and then you'll need to go to the field that you want, so this one, go into Expression and paste it into your default initial value. This will mean that any new records that are being created will immediately have this image within the field. So save, publish, and then once that has been published, you should be able to go in. If you resync the app, click New, record has been created, and there it is. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this has helped.